So majority of my days are spent sitting. Well, that's not good. So something like this, I'm hoping it's going to help relax us. And I don't know if you can tell by looking at me, I'm pretty tired. It's been a stressful 2 years. So, you know, I am looking forward to anything that can help me become stress-free. So let's take a look. Wow. This looks like some kind of spaceship alien. Woo, this is cool though. So we're gonna actually fully test this out and see how well it performs. Tells you on the side here how to use it. So give me a second. I need to brush up so I can actually use it. Okay, a couple things that I'm seeing. Number one, I've seen people actually hold it, because when you hold it, you can actually put more pressure, so you can pull forward to get more pressure, or you can let up to be less pressure, or you can rotate it like this while it's doing its thing as well. I kind of like that. If you guys look, and a lot of people, you put it around, so it would go basically around your strap, around your shoulders like this and strap on. So it'd be pretty much like this. But I actually like holding it, you know, one hand, though you can't be productive if you do that, so, you know. So setting up the straps, actually not that hard. You just got this clip, pop it in place here, and then what you do is you pull right here like this, so we can see. You pull this, and you can adjust it for your tightness. So whatever, just like that, and it kind of creates this like little loop here. Actually pretty simple. So there's a couple ways of putting it on, but the easiest way is have it open like this, take it from behind, put it on like that, and just like that. So that's the easiest way. And then if it's too tight on your neck, you can adjust the straps however you want. But yeah, it's the simplest way of doing it. So this is what it looks like then. And I've seen some people put it on upside down. Whatever feels comfortable for you, that's the way you should do it. So buttons are on the top here. All right. All right, whoa. Acupressure. And it talks to you, by the way. So yeah, there's tons of different modes, and it's nice because you can just lift it up over your head if you want to adjust everything. Again, you could have it the way that we put it. You could turn it upside down and have it that way. Funny thing about this is I've actually seen people say they can use it for their thighs as well. So I want to actually try that out. So they've said that you could put it on your thigh like this. Oh yeah. I've seen some person even strap it on so they don't have to, you know, hold it, and then they just make it really tight. Okay, I could actually see how that works. So anyway, if you get creative or use it for its intended purpose, I think it's gonna work good. The heat felt really good. So yeah.